Man, that was a lot of fun to do. Welcome to Darpino Media episode 5, how to turn any photo into the upside down from Stranger Things. If you're not super familiar with Stranger Things, you need to get on it. Basically, the upside down is another dimension that holds a bunch of creatures like the Demogorgon, like the Mind Flayer, and like I'm sure we're gonna find out a bunch of new creatures that are coming out of it in the next season. I was so excited to do this one for you guys because I'm a huge fan of Stranger Things. I figured why not teach you guys how to do something fun and interesting all at the same time. Now to achieve this look, you need two different apps. You're gonna need lens distortions and you're gonna need Lightroom. If you don't have those yet, go ahead and download those and then we can continue on. Alright, so if you guys don't already know, in honor of this week's vlog, I am doing a giveaway. I'm giving away 3 Funko Pops, one of these 3 right here. Basically all you have to do is subscribe to this channel and then I'm gonna give you a code word to comment down below, and then I'll enter you 2 times, so you'll have 2 chances to win one of the 3. Alright, so let's go ahead and jump right into the apps and let's get this going. Alright, so what we got to do now is open up Lightroom, and I'm choosing this picture right here. And basically what we're going to do is go into the light category and click on this curve button right there. And we're going to start with the black and white curves, all 3 colors at the same time. And basically this is blacks, this is your shadows, this is your midtones, this is your highlights, and this is the whites. So what we're going to do is create a small S curve, bring down the shadows a bit. We're going to take up the highlights a bit. We're going to move on to the blue curves, make the points. And we're going to raise up the shadow blues. We're going to raise up the mid-tone blues. And we're going to raise up the highlight blues. Raise it up quite a bit. It's very blue. Alright, I like that. We're going to go back in, do the same thing for the greens. I'm going to raise it up just a tad there, just a tad there. Go into the reds, and we're just going to make 1 point straight in the middle, and we're just going to suck out the red from that just a little bit. Alright, now we're going to move over to the color tab. This looks pretty good the way it is. If you wanted to make it a little bit colder, you could go ahead and change the temperature and bring it down a tad. I'm okay with that, the way that looks. Take it up here, save it to your camera roll, maximum available. Back out of there, go into lens distortions. And here is our picture up here. Now, lens distortions, if you're not familiar with it, has a bunch of crazy cool things you can put in there. Fog, and rain, and snow, and light hits. You know, if you want to make any type of crazy, you know, light hits on there as if the sun were peeking into the camera, you could do that. But we're not going to do that here, because that is not the upside down. So, what we're going to do is go down to the snow. And they have a bunch of different options that you can choose from here. I personally like this one here. And what I want to do is I want to bring them closer to me as if they were right in front of the camera. So I'm going to raise the scale of those, push them out. And then what I'm going to do is soften them up just a bit to make them look like they're kind of out of focus and close to the screen. Opacity, I'm okay with. Contrast, I'm okay with. And then what we're going to do is go ahead and add a layer. Go down to the snow again. I am going to go with this one here. And you notice how it adds just another dimension of depth there? So it looks like there's some in the foreground, it looks like there's some in the background. Once again, I'm going to soften that up just a tad, not too much. Opacity, I'm probably going to leave as is. And then it'll allow us to add up to 3 layers, so I'm going to add one more layer. And I'm going to go down to the snow. I'm going to choose this one again. And this is going to act as more of like the mid ground. So we're creating one that's close, one that's far away, and one that's like in the middle. And see how that just looks overbearing. There's too much. I'm going to soften that up quite a bit. Brightness, I'm going to bring it down just a tad. Opacity, I'm going to bring it down a tad. Contrast, I'm going to bring that up to get rid of some of them. Some of them will disappear with the contrast. And yeah, I like that. I like it as is. So, go ahead and save that image. Go into our photos, and boom, there we are. There is our upside down from Stranger Things picture. As you can see, it's not very hard to do, and it's relatively quick. So like I said earlier, I'm doing the giveaway, and all you have to do is subscribe here, and you'll be entered for a chance to win one of the 3 Funko Pops. Comment Ego below, and you'll have 2 chances to win one of the 3 Pops. Alright, that's all I've got for you guys today. I hope you had as much fun as I did making this. If you did, please like, comment, or subscribe, and don't forget to enter for a chance to win one of the 3 Funko Pops. Other than that, I'll see you next time. Oh boy. Here we go again.